Happy Veterans Day, everybody. My name is Ron. I'm with Laura here.
Hello. Good morning.
We're at the Kingdom Christmas Lights office, and we just wanted to say thank you to all of our veterans who've served in the armed forces in any capacity, no matter what branch that you were in or what your roles were, whether you had a gun and you was on the front lines or you were handing out basketballs at the gym. At the end of the day, you did sign up. You did offer to make that ultimate sacrifice that a lot of people have paid. But either way, we wouldn't have the freedom. We wouldn't have the Christmas lights as we know it. We wouldn't have anything, especially country, if it wasn't for our veterans. So we wanted to stop for a minute here on Veterans Day, November 11th, that Armistice Day, the 11th hour of the 11th day of the 11th month, where they ended the war, and everyone recognized it as Veterans Day. We want to thank all of our veterans today, and hopefully we have a safe parade out there in Houston, Texas today. And Laura, what does Veterans Day mean to you?
Oh my goodness. I bleed red, white, and blue just like everybody else in this country. So Veterans Day is a huge thing for me. I am so thankful for someone signing a piece of paper who doesn't know my name and says, I will die for you so that you can have freedom. And I might get a little choked up because that just means it's like the equation to Jesus Christ who gave his life for us. And it just means the world to me. I have a special place in my heart for the veterans, including my husband, who is a great veteran.
That's true. Here at Kingdom Christmas Lights, we are a veteran-owned business. That'd be me myself. I was in the Air Force Presidential Honor Guard, as those some of you have been following us on Facebook, have served with me. But we thank you very much. I was just a kid back then, but now when you get a little bit older, you realize the significance of the things you were doing. But we thank all the veterans out there, and on behalf of Laura and myself, we just want to say, some people don't say Happy Veterans Day because it's really not a happy moment for some, but we do celebrate our veterans this Veterans Day and every day, and you guys mean a lot to us. So if you want to do a red, white, and blue, decorations or something on your house, give us a call, and we'll get it done for you. If not for free, a discounted price for sure. So thank you, veterans. Give us a call today. Kingdom Christmas Lights. Our phone number is 346-291-4492. You can also see us on our website is kingdomchristmaslights.com. And we salute you this Veterans Day to all of our veterans.
Thank
Right,
you.
Laura?
Yes, sir.
All right.